I'm partnering up with Blanks by 13Studios, and we're going to show you how to go from these 13 Studio blanks to these completely printed hoodies, and I'll even show you how I designed the graphic. So I have a black and white version of this hoodie blank. I'm going to lay it on the floor and take some lay flat pictures. I'm then going to import these pictures into Adobe Illustrator so I can make a custom vector mockup based off this specific 13Studios blank. And here's what our open-armed mockup looks like. For the graphic, I was looking on Pinterest and I found this graphic, not really sure where it's originally from, but you sometimes gotta steal like an artist. I'm gonna trace around the cat, but not the whiskers because I don't want them. Then I'm gonna image trace the graphic to get the vectorized text. This looks like an S, so I'm just gonna flip it around. This is an E right here when I add an extra shape here. This shape reminds me of a lowercase a. The G's are here, just need to flip them around, and then we copy the S over since we already have it. I then add some decorative shapes and we're done with the Seaggs text. I then put the text over the graphic and now we are done. So now we put the graphic on our mockups, and this is essentially what our garment is going to look like. So now we're going to make our tech pack to submit to my manufacturer limitless. Tech packs are basically simplified and organized instructions that manufacturers read to produce whatever you want as accurately as possible. So now I submit the order to them and wait. Okay, we're done waiting. Here's our completed hoodies. I decided to get these printed using DTG, which stands for direct to garment. It's basically a giant laser jet printer. And these are the hoodies on body. I think they turned out great, great graphic, great blank. Go check out Blanks by 13Studios for one of the softest, plushiest blank hoodie in the blank market. The vector mockups I made for this video are also going to be available to download for free in the YouTube video description. It'll be a Google Drive link that'll take you right to the free mockup files. Happy designing.